Would you believe it's been 2 months since the last time we've recorded on this car? All waiting on Bodyman. We've had 3 or 4 different body shops come and give estimates, and it's all led nowhere. So finally, after 2 months, we finally met with the body shop. They told us to give them a week. We called them, and they said bring it on Monday. So it is Sunday, and we're getting ready to load the car up onto the trailer so that we could take it to them and get it done. Just like every other shop that we've gotten an estimate from, they all say that because the car's not running and driving, they want to get it in and out as soon as possible because a car without an engine just takes up space and time. So hopefully we can get this thing back in a week. But before we do that, there's just one thing we have to do. So it came back together pretty smoothly, and all the seatbelts, everything came back from the online restoration place pretty quickly. So now you guys can see the full interior of the car. Seatbelts are all loose, which is great. Carpets in, headliners in. It's hard to see now, but he actually rewrapped this headliner, and he found very, very similar to the OEM material, and it looks phenomenal. I know it's dark as hell here, so you guys can't really tell, but if you guys can use this as a judgment, this is where the airbag blew out. So you guys can see there's no rips or anything here. It's all fitting nice and how it should. Up here, you guys can see the new dashboard is in. Airbag was not deployed on this dashboard, so this dashboard is all in. All the information, all the infotainment system, everything, the gauges, everything's back together, as you guys just saw. And he got this as a gift, so he put that in here, put an interior back together, and the seats are back in stitch as they were. Can't even tell they were blown up. Seatbelt again, nice and free. So the interior is all back together. Now, we can finally load this thing up onto the trailer and take it to the shop tomorrow, hopefully getting it back within a week. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think we're gonna get any clips from the body shop because this guy's kind of an old timer, and just wanna let him do his business and not impede in his day-to-day operation. So we'll follow up with you guys in the next video when we go pick it up from the body shop. In full transparency, the clips that you just saw of the car being put back together are from May 25th. The clips of me talking are from July 12th. Today is August 3rd, and the car is still not done. Up here on the screen, I'm gonna put the text messages my cousin sent every time he goes to checks in on the car. Some pictures, some just words. Ultimately, the car's in the same exact spot, in the same exact way he left it when he dropped it off. And the painter, the owner of the shop, is telling him, I'm just busy. Once I get the car on the rack, it'll get done right after that. I just need a little bit of time. The update as of July 31st, this past Friday, he needs a few more weeks to get the car done. And I don't know about you guys, but a few more weeks doesn't really have a number to it. My cousin did tell him I need the car done by September, or ASAP, so I could have the car ready for a trip in September. But you don't want to rush a paint guy. So ultimately, it's up to him if he gets it done or not. But with that taking so long, with his paint process taking this long, 3 months, 4 months, I think it is. No, 3 months. 3 months. It's August. I think it's time that I get started on a project of my own. So make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because we got more content coming your way. Peace.